Welcome to the AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we will see how to install nopCommerce on the Plesk panel. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting. We have mentioned a link of our Telegram channel in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF of this video tutorial. Let's begin the tutorial. nopCommerce is one of the fastest growing e-commerce application. We will need to perform the following steps to install nopCommerce on Plesk panel. First, we will have to download nopCommerce from the official website. The second step is to upload and extract the zip file into the HTTP docs folder. The third step is we need to create an MS SQL database and database user from the Plesk panel. The fourth step is fill up the nopCommerce installation form. Before we start the nopCommerce installation process, we will check the technology and system requirements of nopCommerce. nopCommerce is supported on the above listed operating system which we have displayed on the above screen. nopCommerce is supported on the above listed web servers. nopCommerce is supported on MS SQL Server, MySQL Server, and PostgreSQL database. First, you should complete the following steps before starting the installation process. Open hosting settings from the Plesk panel and follow the above steps which we have displayed on the screen. Untick SSL, TLS support and SSL support using SSL for .html files. You can re-enable it once the installation is completed. You need to tick the additional right, modify permissions option on hosting setting. Let's start the nopCommerce installation process. First, we need to download the nopCommerce from the official website. Open a browser and go to nopCommerce official website. Before downloading nopCommerce from the site, you will need to sign up into the nopCommerce website. Click on Login. If you are not registered in nopCommerce, then first you need to complete the registration process. Once you complete the registration process, you need to sign into the nopCommerce account. Enter your login credentials in the respected fields. Here, we are using our demo account to download the nopCommerce setup file. Click on Login. Now click on Download. Inside the list you will have to click on the Download nopCommerce. It will open the download page. On this page, you will see two options to download nopCommerce: package with source code and package without source code. If you are a web developer and planning to customize nopCommerce, then you will have to download the package with source code. If you want to quickly deploy your site to a web server, then you will have to download the package without source code. nopCommerce is a cross-platform solution and can be run on Windows and Linux. If you have Windows OS on the server, you need to click on the Windows button to download it. If there is a Linux OS, you need to click on the Linux button to download the setup file. Here we are downloading the Windows nopCommerce package file. Click on the Windows button to download the nopCommerce package file. It will download the nopCommerce package zip file in your local system. The second step is to upload and extract the zip file into the HTTP docs folder. To upload and extract the zip file into the HTTP docs folder, you need to log in into the Plesk panel. Enter your Plesk panel login credentials in the respected place. We are using our demo account to log in to the Plesk panel. Click on the Login button to log in into the Plesk panel. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into the Plesk panel. Go to the website section on which you want to install nopCommerce. Here we are installing nopCommerce on our website demovpstest.com. Click on the File Manager. Go to the HTTP docs folder. Now, we will upload the nopCommerce package file inside the HTTP docs folder. Click on the plus button. Now click on the Upload button. It will open File Manager window of your system. Select nopCommerce package file from the File Manager. Click on the Open button. Once you click on the Open button, it will upload the nopCommerce package file to the HTTP docs folder. This process may take a few minutes to upload the file into the HTTP docs folder. Now we will extract nopCommerce zip file into the HTTP docs folder. Go to the right side of the screen and click on the 3 rows. It will show you the Extract File option. You need to click on it to extract the file. Once you click on the extract file, you will see a dialog box. In this dialog box, you need to tick the Replace Existing Files option. Make sure you have taken the required backup files from the HTTP docs folder. This option will replace all data from the HTTP docs folder. Now, click on the OK button. It will extract nopCommerce package file into the HTTP docs folder. The third step is create MS SQL database and database user from the Plesk panel. Click on the Add Database button to create MS SQL database. This will open a database creation window. Enter the database name inside the text box. We are using nopCommerce B as a database name. Now select MS SQL Database Server from the list. Select the website from the list on which you want to install nopCommerce. Here we are selecting our website demovpstest.com from the list. Now, we will create database user. Tick the Create a Database User. It will create a database user for the database nopCommerce B. Now enter the username and password of the database user. you need to store the database username and password in the local system which you have added. This will require when we fill up the nopCommerce configuration form. You do not require to tick the option user has access to all databases within the selected subscription. Now click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK button, it will create a database and database user. The fourth step is fill up the nopCommerce installation form. You can access nopCommerce using the domain name. Go to the browser and open the website using the domain name. Make sure the domain is pointing to your hosting service where you have installed nopCommerce. Once you open the site first time, you will be redirected to the nopCommerce installation page. In the Store Information panel, you will need to fill up the required details. First, you will have to enter your existing email address in the admin user email. Here we are using admin@demovpstest.com. Inside the admin user password, you will need to enter the password for the admin account. Now enter the confirm password. In the confirm password, re-enter the admin user password which you have added in the above text box. Now select a country from the list. Check Create Sample Data checkbox if you would like sample products to be created. Now we will enter the database information. Select Microsoft SQL Server from the database list. We have already created a database for nopCommerce, hence we do not require to check the Create Database if it doesn't exist option. You need to check Enter Raw Connection String if you want to enter a connection string. In server name you need to enter the IP, URL, or server name of your database. You can get your server name from the Plesk control panel. Now enter database name. Here we are using the created database demo VPS2_nopCommerce. If you are installing at a hosting provider, you do not need to use the integrated Windows authentication option. Now enter SQL database username. In SQL password, enter your database user password. Specify custom collation as an advanced setting. We do not need to check it. Click Install to start the installation process. Once the setup process is completed, your new site's home page will be displayed. Congratulations! You have successfully installed nopCommerce in the Plesk panel. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to install nopCommerce on the Plesk panel. If you like our technical video, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have to access the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.